Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tara Channel. Andito naman po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na pangalan sinusuwebe na Renzo Tara Channel. May kamigay shoutout po sa lahat ng ating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood at nakabang. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay isang reading po para sa buwan ng May 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Gemini. Pasensya na po kung medyo late na po and medyo na busy lang po. Wala po upload for the past days pagkat busy po yung likod. But still, May 3 pa rin po, pasok pa rin po itong reading natin sa buwan ng May 2026. Okay? Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at di po kayo subscribe, please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message lang po kayo sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. Hindi po kayo unang mag-message po sa inyo. Pag may nag-message po sa inyo na mag-offer ng private reading, hindi po ako yan. Scammer po yan, manloloko. So, doble ingat po. Kayo lang po yung unang mag-message po sa akin. Pag-usapan po natin kung magkano at kung paano po kayo makakapag-avail ng private reading. Alright? Sige. Last shuffle for you, Gemini. Kunin na natin ang isang bara para sa May 2026 reading. Alright. Sweet Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give us 10 cards please for Gemini. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, of course you're happy. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 6, 7. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniwan. Thank you so much po for the love and support po. So, sige Gemini, your 10 cards are now ready. Kompleto na. Huwag na natin patagalin pa ito because I know that you're so excited. Sige, for your first card para sa yung May 2026 Gemini is Hierophant. Oh, so there's a lot of Gemini, mga Gemini, May 2026. If you're manifesting for something, kapag ang tagal na nitong pinagpipray mo, ang tagal na nitong wini-wish mo, or talagang minamanifest mo sa universe, sa Panginoon, but I can feel here, nakakataob ba yung 9 cards natin, Gemini, but believe me, I can feel and this May 2026 will be the month that your prayers and manifestations will be granted. Ibibigay na to sa iyo. Believe me, Gemini, i-claim mo na to. The energy that I can feel with that 9 cards left is very positive. So with the Hierophant card here, naging opening card mo. So i-claim mo na to, May 2026, you're going to celebrate because there's a certain wish and manifestation prayer that will be granted and will be given to you, Gemini. Congratulations in advance. Okay? So tingnan natin. Knight of Cups, ito na. Victory, success. After all the struggles, after all the painful experiences that you've been through for the past months, ang dami mong nilet go, ang dami mong tinalikuran, ang daming betrayal na nangyari, ang daming hindi naniwala sa'yo. Pinagtawanan ka, but you fought for it. But now, you're going to claim it. You're going to claim the prize. The victory is here, so you're going to hold the trophy. Okay? So, talagang nilaban mo ito, pinaghirapan mo. And sabi ko nga, hindi naging madali ang pinagdaanan mo sa bagay na to. But with this May 2026, believe me, sabi ko, with the Hierophant card, there's something, someone na Gemini na ang daming pinagpipray. Kung ano man itong pinagpipray mo, Gemini, or pinagmamanifest mo for a long time, it took how many months and years even, but still hindi ka na-give up sa bagay na to. And believe me, with this May 2026, i-claim mo na to. With the victory card here, Knight of Cups, success is coming on your way, Gemini, this May 2026. Wow! Wow, what a very beautiful card. Okay. So ito, nag-reverse ang 3 of Swords natin. So this is a very beautiful card also because May will be a moving on time or healing period for you. So sabi ko nga parang itong bagay na to, itong minamanifest mo for a long time na talaga dumating yung point na parang na-disappoint ka na o parang nagduda ka na sa sarili mo or even to the universe sa Panginoon kung talagang ibibigay pa to sa'yo o darating pa to sa'yo. Okay, but Gemini, believe me, because nag-reverse ng 3 of Swords. So, ang kapalit nitong heartbreak, kasi bumaliktad na siya. It's like happiness, contentment, okay? So, good news, positivity. So, you don't need to worry. May 2026, you will see, you will claim the prize, you will be receiving the good news and positivity, Gemini. Sabi ko, after all, talagang this is worth it, na talagang paghihintay mo, worth it ang paglaban mo dito with the 3 of Swords. Everything will fall into place for you. No stress, no problem. You don't need to worry anymore, Gemini. Talagang tuloy-tuloy na ang good news, tuloy-tuloy ng positivity and blessings for you. Okay? You truly deserve this, Gemini. Ang ganda. Okay. Five of Cups. So, May 2026, Gemini, there's still kung meron pa rin mga bagay na talagang dinadala ka sa puso mo. Like, guilt feeling, frustrations, disappointment, palayain mo ng sarili mo. Okay, May 2026 sabi ko, it will be a healing period for you. This should be the month na talagang kailangan mo nang tanggalin ang lahat ng mga baggages, okay? Extra baggages that you're carrying in your heart and in your mind. Magpatawad ka, mag-move forward ka. I know hindi maging madali ang lahat. Ang bilis ko lang sabihin, but for you, iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin. But believe me, Gemini, if you at least do a certain action, kahit yung simpleng pagpapatawad or yung simpleng pag-change ng mindset mo into positive one, malaki ang magiging tulong nito sa pag-unlad or sa growth and progress na kinakailangan mo. Okay? May 2026, you need to free yourself with this guilt feeling, with these disappointments and frustrations na nararanasan mo. Maybe from other people, I believe na hindi naman ito mangyayari o hindi mo ito mararamdaman kung hindi ka talaga naapektuhan or nasaktan. But Gemini, sabi ko nga, we cannot control all the things in this world. Everything happens for a reason. And ang kunin mo na lang kung ano yung, kumbaga, makakatulong. Kung ano yung lesson na makukuha mo dito. It's because it is very necessary na talagang kailangan mo nang mag-move forward with this thing. Kasi ito yung nagsiserve as baggages for you and you really need to move forward. Right? So, sige. Panglima is we have here the Nine of Cups. Okay, this is good news. This is something, recognition, reward for you with the Nine of Cups here. So, tuloy-tuloy na. Okay, tuloy-tuloy na ang magandang blessings or talagang balita para sa iyo. So, you need to claim it. You need to, good news is coming on your way. So, if you're waiting for something, maaring may iniantay kang resulta with the hierarchy card here. Yan, ang dami mo lang napapatunayan. Ang madadagdagan pa yung mga trophies na yan. So, Gemini, so tuloy-tuloy na talaga ito with this May 2026. You're sitting like a boss. Siguro, makikita tayo dito ng progress, makakakita tayo dito ng kumbaga good results sa mga bagay na akala mo wala na talagang growth na mangyayari. Maybe business, career, studies, love life. So, all in all, this is a very beautiful month for you, May 2026. Okay? Sige, pang-anim is Two of Pentacles. Wow! So, we have here balance at the same time. Hindi lang isang opportunity, but more that two or more pang maaring hindi mo in-expect na maaring magbukas para sa iyo or darating para sa iyo, Gemini. With the Two of Pentacles here, so I can see that your life will be improving talaga this May 2026. There will be surprises. Maaring may mga ibang tao rin na hindi mo in-expect na maaring lalapit sa iyo para mag-offer ng something or tumulong sa iyo. So I can see here na parang may mga bagay ka rin pinagsasabay-sabay or pagsasabay-sabayin with this May 2026, i-juggle parang, but you need to find balance, Gemini. Kaya mo naman ito because I know that you're very strong and you're very smart, matalino ka, magaling ka, but you just need to, balansehin lang lahat. But kayang-kaya mo. Everything will be, kumbaga, manageable for you. You don't need to worry, hindi ka mai-stress dito, Gemini. Right? We have here the King of Swords. Honesty, courage, and bravery is needed for you. With the King of Swords here, so kailangan this May 2026, you need to be honest with yourself. Hindi to pwede yung parang pananahimik lang or parang pag-a-adjust sa ibang tao. Kailangan kung anong gusto mong gawin, panindigan mo, sabihin mo ito, lalong-lalo na kung wala kang mga masamang intention. You don't need to adjust or you don't need to, kumbaga, mag-back out para lang sa iba. Tama na yung panahon na matagal na panahon na parang nag-consider ka ng ibang tao o feelings sa ibang tao or parang lagi mong inuunang kapakanan ng iba. So you need to choose yourself now. May 2026, you really need to fight for it. Whatever it is, kailangan mong panindigan to, ilaban mo ito because ito yung gusto mo eh. Ito, ikaw nakakakilala sa sarili mo. Ikaw ang nakakaalam kung ano talaga gusto mong mangyari sa buhay. And with this, like King of Swords, believe me, kapag ito yung ginawa mo, magtutuloy-tuloy talaga ang transformation, progress, ang growth na mararanasan mo, Gemini, in your life. Alright? So, ang gaganda. Pang-8 mong baraha, wow, we have here the Ten of Cups celebration. The whole family, the whole friendship, the whole community will be celebrating. There is a big celebration coming on your way. Tingnan mo ang kapalit ng mga frustrations, mga heartbreak na napagdaanan mo, Gemini, for a long time. This will be a reward season for you this May 2026. I-claim mo nito. May mga good news, may mga parating. Siguro, sabi ko nga, talagang if you're waiting for something with the Hierophant card, yung mga minamanifest mo, matagal mo nang pinag-pray, dating na ito, i-claim mo na ito. So, just relax. Okay, take it easy, no pressure. Huwag mo masyadong isipin ito, magugulat ka na lang. Andyan na siya, it will be knocking on your door and this will be a big blessing that will be coming on your way. I-claim mo na ito because Ten of Cups here, your children, kayong mag-asawa, kayong magkakapatid, magulang, your friendship will be celebrating this big milestone and journey that is waiting for yours. Okay? So Gemini, congratulations and advance and you truly deserve this. Okay? So, pang nine, oh, Queen of Swords. So, nakikita ko dito with the Five of Cups. Sabi ko, palayain mo ang sarili mo, di ba, sa mga frustrations and disappointment, dismay, kasi kailangan mong mag-move forward. So, tapusin mo na yan, palayain mo yung puso at isipan mo. And with the Queen of Swords, you really need to move forward. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy na yung acceleration. Hindi ito pwedeng patigil-tigil ka. Hindi ito pwedeng gusto mo ngayon, tapos bigla ka na magbaback out, bigla magbabago yung isip mo. Kung ano man itong simulan mo na, kung ano man itong gusto mong gawin, whether kung talagang medyo nagdududa ka pa, but you really need to push for it. Kailangan ipagpatuloy mo ito. Gawin mo ng lahat because with the Queen of Swords here, nas malapit ka na ngayon ka pa ba mag-give up, Gemini. So this is not the best time to back out. Hindi ito yung time para kumbaga panghinaan ng loob. With the Queen of Swords here, tuloy-tuloy na ipakita mo, magaling ka, matalino ka. So without the support of other people, kayang-kaya mo yan mag-isa, Gemini. So hindi mo kinakailangan na ng support system with other people. You alone can do it. Okay? So you are guided by the universe. Sabi ko, there's a celebration on your way. Minamanifest mo ito, pinag-pray mo ito for a long time. So bakit ka matatakot? Bakit ka magdududa? So with the Queen of Swords here, push for it, go for it. Walang makakapigil para sa'yo. Right? So 10th and last card mo, Gemini, for May 2026. Oh, we have here the Sun card. So you don't need to worry. May 2026 will be a month filled with good news, hope, positivity, blessings. Sabi ko nga sa iyo eh. So Gemini, no need to worry. Ito na, tuloy-tuloy na ito. Katapat niya yung Nine of Cups, good news. Okay? Reward, appreciation. Ano ba to? Na talagang magugulat ka pating sa'yo or malalaman mo with the Sun card here. So cheer up, Gemini. Everything is in control for you. Nasa mabuti kang path. You're on the right track. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. Patuloy lang. No turning back. Huwag nang magpapa-apekto pa. Huwag ka nang lilingon pa sa paligid mo. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. So you're on the right track, sabi ko. Talagang Gemini, for a long time that you've struggled, ito na yung kapalit, ito na yung reward for all the sacrifices that you made. And I'm so happy with this reading. I hope and I pray na marami nasa signing Gemini yung mga kapalit ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, Gemini Consumit, sa inyong panonood. Maraming salamat. Asa man kayo naroon naman ginagawa nyo, mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.